Hi, good morning. I am in the mountainous regions of Boquete in Panama. Last night, while we were at the island, we were told they're going to block the roads, so I escaped. So at 2 a.m., we had a bus pick us up and we escaped. It really felt like a refugee escape situation because in the bus there were all like 30, 40 foreigners. So we left at like 2 a.m. and we got in at like 7:30 a.m. My hostel is pretty amazing. Agaseke. The owner is here. I will be talking to her pretty soon about Bitcoin as usual, what that I do. And now I am heading over to get some breakfast. There's a Bitcoiner here. I do not know if he loves to be on the camera. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the waterfalls, chill out, and I'm gonna exit this country before they shut down the other sides of the road. The reason they're doing this is because the government did not fulfill their promises, and this is just the beginning, and this is happening all around the world. This is just not here. I am seeing this firsthand and I get goosebumps. It is cold also. But yeah, vamonos, let's seize the day. Don't know. No jumping on the bridge. I don't know, should I, shouldn't I continue? Let's stop. Looks like it will. Who knows? Use a public transport, that is $2.50. And go for this hike. Altogether 2 hours they say. Take it for 2.5, 3 hours because you're going to be chilling there. And it's kind of stopped raining, so I feel a little better. That's Cascada number 1. We're going to go down there. 2, in fact 3. We do the 3, then 2, then 1, and then back. That's the plan. Raining, damp, everything is crazy, but beautiful. Get some shots, I'm sure. Good. It's dry now, to do something. Third one, we're gonna dip here. It's cold, my body is hot. It's cold. Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin. Oh, that's the first waterfall. That's a way out. You have to come all the way down, go there, and then climb back up. And you can't even take a shower there. You'll just go close up. Try to get some drone shot. Let's see. Oh. When I came here, there was already this treasure. I put a no Bitcoin. The end of my journey here. Tired. And head back and meet a fellow Bitcoiner. There's a plan, have some lunch. See if somebody accepts Bitcoin here. Vamos. Volcán. Good morning. It's 12 a.m. Let's go. What's your name, bro?
Simon.
Simon, I met him in the hostel. Yeah. And we are going now. This is Bitcoin. Let's go. Volcán Baru. 5 hours. Hola, let's go. 2.5 kilometer, 11 kilometer go, 200 meters. Yeah, been an hour to do 3.5 kilometers. 11 kilometers, 4 hours. We're 5:30 a.m. There's nothing to see in the road. Oh my god, there's nothing to see. See, my light's gone. Hold up. Alright, done 6 kilometers. It's been 2 hours 45 minutes. I still have 7.5k to go. I'm gonna take a little break, drink some water, and carry on. It is getting cold. 2,300 meter altitude. Whew. Let's go. Alright, 9 kilometers, 5 to go. It's 4:30. Let's go, let's go. 5k in 90 minutes. Saw that people are going for sunrise in that fucking awesome car. $120 per person. We are almost there. The sunrise is in about an hour's time from now, and I can see the peak. So hi, good morning. It's 6 a.m. I still haven't made it. Another 700-800 meters to go. The first rays of lights have hit. The sun has come out. I missed the sunrise. Not yet, but I will. That's what we're doing. I came in late, everybody's gone. It was all by myself, and it's fucking, the wind is so strong. The sun is the reason I'm staying here. Got some amazing drone shots. You gotta try that master shots. And now I'm gonna head back. Oh my god, my nipples are really hard. Alright, heading down after what was up there, windy as hell. I'm pretty sure we did a lot. I climbed really high. Happy, grateful, body still doing good, but needs to work on it. So I think so drinking and smoking going out of the window very soon, very soon. Okay, it is like I'm waiting for this journey to get over, and it's ciao. I met these Italian girls, they were amazing. I met them on the bus when they came all the way to Boquete. This is, by the way, Volcán, right? Baru Volcán. So I met these girls on the bus from Santa Caterina to Boquete, and they said that they'll be doing the hike tonight. They went and bought some cheap jackets and they did the hike, but they're not hiking back down. They're in the car so that they can just go. Amazing vibes, very good energy, but we couldn't hike together because they started early, I started late. Nonetheless, here I am between the clouds. So I'm going to show you the way down. We had seen nothing coming up. There are like these surfaces, but not everywhere. They try to maintain it, they can't. The night when you come, you don't see all of this, but you're just climbing all of this right now. Check this out. It's like, whoops. Look at the steepness actually. Awesome truck. It's 12:10. Shit. It took 4.5 hours to come down. Let's go home, man. I'm tired.